This video is going to show you how to reset a service indicator on a Saab 9-3. First thing you're going to do is you're going to put the key in, you're going to rotate it to on position only, so no more. And do not start the vehicle. Make sure your doors are locked. So once the screen comes up, you'll push on customize, and then you're going to scroll to system settings using this here. So we're going down to system settings. You're going to confirm. They want to do system settings, and now we're going to scroll down to the one that's called service info. So we scroll down using this. We're going to confirm this, and then we're going to select down the third one down called reset service indicator. There you go. We'll confirm it, and then it's asking us, are you sure? Yes, no. You know, if you're on the no, you'll obviously rotate to the left. You'll select yes, and then that completes the reset service indicator, and you just exit out of this using the back buttons and exit, and that completes it. Thanks for watching.